Just a quick video. I connected a second floppy drive to my A1000. My other video showed the Amiga A1000 booting up, and the bottom drive was the one I tested the utilities on. So I've connected a second drive to it, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a floppy. It's a backup of my workbench. You can see it churning away, and it's mounted on the desktop. I've double clicked it. You can see it's accessing and reading. I've double clicked utilities, and I'm going to launch the clock. And you can see it's working as it should. So let's go ahead and run say. And we're going to have the Amiga talk to us here in a moment.
Hello.
There you go. So the floppy did read and did launch these applications.